Transform your tiny Christmas tree into a festive masterpiece with creative and charming decorations. Perfect for small spaces, these trees bring holiday cheer without taking up too much room. Miniature ornaments are a delightful way to dress up your tiny Christmas tree. Choose lightweight options like glass baubles, wooden stars, or little bells to maintain the balance and charm. Fairy lights add a touch of magic to your small tree. Opt for battery-operated strands to keep the setup simple and elegant. Themed decorations elevate the style of your tree. Try a gold and white palette for a sophisticated look, or go bold with vibrant red and green for a classic holiday feel. Go green with eco-friendly decorations. Upcycled ornaments and natural materials add a sustainable and stylish touch to your tiny Christmas tree. Get creative with tree alternatives. A vase filled with branches can be transformed into a tiny tree with ornaments and lights, perfect for compact spaces. For a playful twist, decorate your tiny tree with bright, bold colors. This fun approach adds energy and excitement to your holiday decor. Metallic accents add a touch of luxury to your tiny tree. Combine gold, silver, and rose gold for a sophisticated, glowing effect. Handmade garlands add a personal touch to your tiny tree. Use materials like pom-poms, beads, or even dried orange slices for a unique and festive accent. Top off your tiny Christmas tree with a petite tree topper. Whether it's a golden star, a tiny angel, or a festive bough, keep it proportionate to the tree's size for a balanced look. Rustic decorations like pine cones, burlap ribbons, and wooden ornaments create a warm, earthy feel that pairs beautifully with the natural greenery of your tiny tree. Mini gift boxes double as decorations and add a playful, festive charm. Place them among the branches for a whimsical touch. Tiny wreaths and stockings are adorable additions to your tree. These miniature accents bring a sense of holiday nostalgia and charm. Incorporate seasonal accents like cinnamon sticks, dried orange slices, and red berries. These elements add a fragrant and festive touch to your decorations. Complete the look with a tiny tree skirt. From classic red and white to rustic burlap, a small skirt ties the entire design together. Enhance your tiny tree's display by creating a holiday scene. Add miniature figurines like reindeer, snowmen, or small houses to bring the festive spirit to life. Make your tiny tree special with personalized ornaments. Incorporate initials, photos, or small hand-painted designs to add a sentimental touch. Add a snowy touch to your tiny tree with artificial snow. Pair it with snowflake ornaments for a frosty, festive look. Your perfect tiny Christmas tree is a reflection of your style and creativity. With thoughtful decorations and personal touches, it's sure to bring holiday cheer to your home.